Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you, does PlayStation 5 have backwards capability or compatibility? Now basically the answer is yes. Now before you actually ask me what backwards compatibility means, now as you can see, this is basically the answer. The PlayStation 5 has backwards compatibility with the vast majority of PlayStation 4 games. Sony tried going through each title with the developers and publishers to ensure that each game could be played seamlessly on a new console. Now, more than 4,000 PlayStation 4 titles are compatible with the PlayStation 5. Now, that means you can play PlayStation 4 games on PlayStation 5. Now, as you can see, Sony warns that some add-ons may cause issues at first, so you should always be wary and test your games without add-ons to see where problems may emerge. Now, as you can see right here, how about PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, or even PlayStation 3 games? Now, if you're wondering whether PlayStation 3 or PlayStation 2 games will have backward compatibility or compatibility with PlayStation 5, the answer is sort of. Now, physical disc versions of PlayStation 5 and 3 games are not backwards compatible with the PlayStation 5, though that could change in the future with future news from Sony Interactive, as you can see right here. So, however, with a PlayStation Plus subscription, you can still access a cloud-based streaming service by PlayStation that allows you to pick and choose which games you want to play. So that's pretty much the answer. Does PlayStation 5 have backwards compatibility? Yes, it actually has, but in a very limited manner where you can actually play PlayStation 4 games only on PlayStation 5. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.